Hello Fusion team, I'm a big fan of the ECAD product. I use it quite extensively. I've come across this one bug, I get it a lot, and I kind of just realized what condition makes it happen, so this is an attempt to document that to make it easier to find and fix, because I love the product, but this one thing makes me have to push from the schematic to the PCB to the 3D model over and over again to try to find. So what I'm gonna do here is just copy this jack. These are all the same components here, jack 1, 2, 3, 4, blah blah blah. I am gonna copy jack 7 and put it here as jack 8, and then I'm gonna save it. Takes a minute. Okay, now we'll go into the PCB 2D design, and let me just quickly move it. Or you know what, actually I'm not even going to move it, I'm just going to push it to 3D. Oh, sorry, hold on, cancel, save it first. Okay, it's saving. Alright. Now we're going to push it to the 3D. Give it a second, and good, there it is, as expected. It shows up right over the PCB footprint, just as you'd expect. Now, let me save that. Alright, I'm going to go to the schematic and I'm going to rename it. Say I wasn't happy with the name. We'll go to name. I'm going to name this jack. I'm going to rename it 88. And then I'm going to save it. Alright. And I'm going to go to the PCB and push it again. By the way, something that would push all of this stuff automatically, like an option to push it automatically, would be amazing. However, there's the problem. So anytime I rename a component in the schematic, or just, well, that's the only place you can do it, it offsets the component from the footprint. And it's really weird. It, like, even if let's see what happens if I rename it back to 8 after saving. We'll see, we'll try to investigate this further. It seems to hold on to the offset, even if I were to erase all the components that got renamed and then re-put them on the board, it somehow retains that offset often. But okay. Yeah, okay. Let's go back to the schematic. Let me, sorry, getting distracted, change this guy back to J8. And let's see what happens. Does it inherit? Does it go back to the right footprint placement or not? Save. To the PCB. Push. Push. Okay, it does go back, so that's kind of cool. Alright, let's investigate this further. Let me rename it to a different name and just see what happens. I'm gonna skip it and go to J9. We'll skip J8 and rename it J9 and see what happens. Okay, save. So I've been doing designs with, like, I don't know, quite extensive designs with, like, I don't know, up to 1,000 components. And I get stuck in this loop where I have to kind of re-push things to fix it if I really want my 3D model to be accurate. because of like little bugs like this one. But all in all, I've been really happy with how the product changed from Fusion to ECAD. I noticed all the snapping, like quantization and stuff like that. Okay, this one's renamed 9. I'm gonna push it. Push. Okay, yeah, so it broke it again, and there's the offset again. I'm not sure what's causing it. I'm just trying to document what condition makes it happen in order to, and hopefully it makes it easier for the Fusion team to fix it, because I love the product. I just need things like this to work better. Cool, thank you.